Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so today I'll just go through some important news I saw uh days ago. I've been showing us banks that have gone into crypto, but of course this will not be the same, but I'll just list a few. So Standard Chartered Bank OLSL parent in pact to create digital asset platform. So what we're seeing now is that you know how banks, most especially those in Nigeria, start exchanges from using their banks. Now, banks are now creating their own exchanges. Weird. All right, Google will only take ads from FinCEN registered or chartered crypto exchanges wallets. Now, just in case you don't understand what this means, several years ago, uh, Google decided to shut down any advertisement that has to do with crypto or crypto exchanges. And now they've lifted the ban. Guess what that means? This also means that the big boys around the world, the big players around the world, are now into crypto. So now that the big players are around the world are now into crypto, they are now accepting adverts. This is just one huge manipulation. Anyways, Metaplex Foundation launches Solana-based NFT marketplace. I have a video that I did about Solana. Please check it out. It's a great project. Just in case you don't have some Solana, please get some Solana. I think the ticker is SOL, and you can find it on Binance. Right. So this is some huge news here for Solana. Of course, it's not a financial advice. Yeah, but have some because I do, and my friends do. Artists plan to erect a bronze Satoshi Nakamoto statue in Budapest to honor Bitcoin's creator. This is a welcome development, and of course, it's going to attract investors and tourists to Budapest. This is a nice one. I think I like this development. Anyways, uh, let's move on. Standard Chartered Bank launching cryptocurrency exchange. I've already talked about this before in the other website, right? It's just so funny. It's just so funny, and that is why when I see people selling their Bitcoin, I'll be like, you shouldn't be doing that because when you're selling, the banks are buying, and then the banks will only start letting you use crypto when they are done buying, right? And now they have, and now banks are creating their own crypto exchanges, and now Google is now letting people do adverts. Now, remember what Google said in what we read before, that Google will only allow ads from FinCEN registered or chartered crypto exchange. You see? Now, Google will only allow guys like this that we started crypto before these guys. Will not allow them to do adverts only. Just a weird world we live in. Google announces new policy for crypto ads. Just the same news. Iota, just in case you don't know what Iota is a cryptocurrency that uses a different consensus algorithm. I think they use consensus algorithm called DAG, D-A-G. I think something like direct acyclic graph, something like that. Right. So Nectar Iota 2.2 Nectar DevNet goes live to achieve full decentralization. Iota is one of my favorite oldest cryptocurrency. I've been holding it for years and I haven't really done any video about it. But Iota, these guys are into Internet of Things, IoT, Internet of Things, and you should probably check them out. So I'll close my Telegram for notifications to just pause. China to hand out $6.2 million in new digital yuan trial in Beijing. Okay, in case you've been under the rock, you've not been around, and you don't know what China is doing. So China tried to ban Bitcoin several times, and they found out that the network is decentralized and can't easily be banned by China. So, and they've seen the growing popularity of cryptocurrency, and then they say to themselves, okay, how can we jump into the bandwagon? So what it did was to create their own digital version of their own cryptocurrency, and of course, it's called CBDC. CBDC is the general name for it. CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency, and China is on the forefront of being the first country in the world to have their own digital currency. All right, this is the news that we'd already talked about. Search giant Google lifts 2018 ban on crypto exchange wallet advertisements. Now, this article here makes it sound like it's general, but it is what it is. I think that is all I have for you guys today. There is one more news I saw. There's one more news I saw. Hold on. Yeah, this is the news. So, uh, Voice is a social media, blockchain-based social media platform that is built on EOS, and Voice was supposed to be a normal cryptocurrency, but they've changed the game right now for every post you make on Voice to be an NFT. All right, so this news came out yesterday announcing Voice NFT residency, empowering creatives and bringing established voices and emerging creators together. So, continuing with our mission to empower creatives, we are partnering with leaders in arts and culture, including what those are. The residency will collectively create and mint NFTs with the team Raise Our Voice, reflecting the power of NFTs to lift up emerging creators to create works of self-expression. We are proud to be working with these brilliant creative minds who share our passion for empowering the broader creative blah blah blah. Point is, summary, Void, the social media platform, is now going into NFT. That's it. Anyways, here's a word of advice. You know, remember how people didn't know what Bitcoin was several years ago? Remember how people didn't take it seriously? I would want to tell you to take this seriously. Who knows, it might end up being big, but it is what it is. Alright, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get well saved, important crypto and blockchain news to your table. See ya.